Welcome to 30-Day Reviews. I'm Justin and I use all the products for around 30 days before giving you a full honest review. Today we're taking a look at yet another product from Lucky Franc's complete wet shaving kit that he was so very nice and sent out to me to review. Today's review is the shave brush. This brush has a powder-coated matte black stainless steel handle, which gives this brush a lot of weight. This brush weighs in at 4.5 ounces, so it's definitely a little heavier than some of your other brushes out there, and honestly, I really like the weight a lot more than I thought that I would. Now the bristles that he decided to put with this are synthetic, and honestly, this is my first synthetic brush, and I have to say that so far I've been pleasantly surprised. However, there were a few things that I noticed with it. One of the things that I noticed with the synthetic brush is that I didn't have any loose hairs coming out really ever. Now when I first got it, there were a couple of them that were a little bit longer, so I just barely pinched onto them and they came right out, and I haven't had one of them fall out, or that I noticed fall out, since I've started using it. Which I find to be a good thing, because especially with it being synthetic, there's no reason that they should fall out because it's not like they're individual hairs. I'm pretty sure that at the bottom, they are all melted together, which is something that you don't get with, let's say, natural badger hair bristles. When I first got it, the bristles were much tighter on themselves and therefore kind of made it kind of hard to get a good lather up, just because they weren't all nice and spread out like they are now. It started to relax fairly quickly. I would say my 5th to 7th time it started to be like this, and it is really nice and soft, way softer than I would imagine a synthetic knot to be. When making lather with this, it was very nice and comfortable in the hand to use, and as you can see, it makes lather just like a natural hair brush does, and it is very nice and comfortable when you are actually applying it to your face. Another thing that I noticed about this is that it is very easy to rinse out, and I think some of that weight when you are getting the excess water out even may help it get even more water out, because I'll tell you what, this thing, it gets really dry with just a couple flicks of the wrist. He did a good job with finding a manufacturer and picking out the products to make sure that this feels nice and comfortable, and I really like it, and I think that you probably will too, whether you're a beginner or an experienced wet shaver. Now, unfortunately, just like the double-edged razor, you can't order this on its own for now. I'm hoping that eventually he'll make these available to order separately, but for now you need to buy one of the shaving kits that has this in it, and I will put those links down below for you. I want to know down in the comments section if you're currently using a shave brush, and if so, what kind are you using? If you want to see the other products that I reviewed of Lucky Franc's, make sure to check out the link right here. And of course, down below it is another review that you may like as well. Until next time, you have a good one.